Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to export your sequence in Unreal Engine 5 as an MP3 file together with audio. So what you have to know is that this needs to be a two-step process. So I tried before to do this, merging the audio files together with the image files, but Unreal Engine has a limitation currently that it can only export MP4 videos with one single audio input. So if you have like many dialogues or music tracks on your sequence, you'll not be able to aggregate all of those at once and it will error out. So what happened is that it was freezing after the first audio file stopped. So I'm going to show you how to do this here. So what you need to do is first you have to enable some plugins. So you come here, plugins, and you want to make sure that you search for movie render, and you want to make sure that you have these two plugins here enabled. So once you do that, you have to install the FFmpeg add-on. So you have to go to ffmpeg.org and download this file. And then you have to save it somewhere on your local disk because you'll need to pass in the path that you saved this file in here, project settings. You scroll down to plugins, movie pipeline, CLI encoder, and then you have to pass the path where you saved your ffmpeg file here. So you want to make sure that you include the path and then .exe, and then you close it. So once you do this, then first step is that you have to include a few prompts here on project settings so that Unreal Engine can aggregate all your audio files and generate one single audio file based on those, right? So you go back here to movie pipeline CLI encoder. In this part, command line format, you want to include a prompt that tells Unreal Engine to take all your audio files and make one single audio file out of that. So the prompt that I'm using for this step is this one here. So each one of these -I are inputs for your audio files. So let's say that you have 4 audio files here. So we have to include all 4 inputs, all 4 audio inputs, and then you tell Unreal to generate one single audio file .wave with this. So I'm calling this my audio my audio 2. And then I just split into different lines here for simplicity. But what you want to do is actually put everything in one single line, and then you copy it and paste it there so that it doesn't give you any errors. Okay, so now that you have everything in one single line, you just copy this prompt here, and then you close it. So the next thing is that you have to open Sequence Master, click here, render this movie, and in the configurations, you disable JPEG, but then you add .wave, because then this is the format of the output that you want to get, right? Also, you need to disable anything related to rendering here, and that's pretty much it. And then you click accept. You also have to select all the shots that you want to Unreal Engine to extract the audio from, and then you click on render local. So this is the first step. It will generate a one single WAV file with all your audio inputs from your sequence. And on the next video, I'm going to show you how to use this one single audio file as an input for your MP4 video format.